no brain, no skull. So how does a snail sense, move, and remember? Let's uncover the surprising secrets of the snail's nervous system. This snail has no brain the way you'd imagine one. No skull, no single command center. Instead, it runs on a scattered network of nerve clusters called ganglia, spread across its body. Instead, important ones scattered near the head, the cerebral ganglia, spread across its body to a brain. There are 5 main pairs of ganglia, important ones cerebral, pedal, pleural, parietal, and visceral, each controlling a different function. They're all linked by nerve cords, forming a loop around the snail's esophagus, parietal, called the circumesophageal ring. The pleural ganglia sit beside the cerebral pair and help relay signals between the head and the rest of the body. The parietal ganglia manage the mantle and respiratory organs, handling breathing and sensing the surrounding environment. The visceral ganglion controls the internal organs, digestion, the heart, and reproduction, keeping the body running. The upper tentacles carry simple eyes, just enough to sense light and dark, not sharp vision. The lower, shorter tentacles handled smell and touch, helping the snail find food and navigate. Snails, and their relatives sea slugs, have taught neuroscientists how memory works at the level of a single neuron. No brain, no skull, no problem. A simple system, perfectly built for a simple, slow-moving life. Enjoyed this? Hit like, subscribe for more amazing science facts, and comment what topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.